Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how to apply position parameter automatically by the tool, and the system will apply all changes immediately to your active assembly. The tool is located on the 4ksci.com, so in the Creo embedded browser on the left bottom corner you are able to navigate to 4ksci.com. You can also create your hyperlink or map key and the system will automatically load this page. In the section Customization and POS Manager is the tool POS Manager, and it's a position number tool for Creo Parametric assembly. When you open the tool, the system will in active assembly load all necessary information, count how many numbers or items are used. In the level 1, you are able to reload from Creo. So what does it mean? If the position parameter exists, the system will reload data from the Creo. And on the bottom of the table you can see all necessary listed data. Also, if there are more than one object, for example screw, nuts, washers or something like this, the system automatically counts the data altogether and set, for example, the quantity that is 4. And if you would like to apply the position, it's really easy. You are able to select the renumber from 1. So what does it mean? You can see here that on the top are sorted assemblies, and then below are sorted the 3D data, and also they are sorted based on the file name. If I will hit the button renumber from 1, the system will apply necessary numbers. You would like to renumber, it's not a problem, you are able to renumber. If you will use the same number as before, the system will show you the message that is not okay, you have to change it. But also maybe you would like to specify that some components are sorted first. You are able to specify auto renumber and then you can sort. And system will automatically renumber, and for example, assembly will be really on the bottom, so you are able to see that system automatically renumber all positions. If everything is renumbered and you are satisfied, you are able to use the function apply position to models, and when you regenerate the assembly, the system will show you the position numbers. If you will open page again, or for example you will delete or add the component in your assembly and you will load this tool again, the system will show you that some components are necessary to add or remove, or if you probably delete some information. So for example, as in last tutorial, I'll show you that you are able to delete some position numbers. So for example, this one you will delete, and when you reload the tool again, you can hit the button reload from Creo, and you can see, for example, that position parameter is not set, color is different, and you can use the renumber again, or you can specify your custom value. If you will hit again the button apply position and regenerate, the system will show you in the main model tree the proper position parameter. When all parameters are set, the information can be populated to the windchill during the check-in functionality. And if you would like to test it or validate, you can select the parameters. You can specify that you would like to see the component parameters, and for example for this model or assembly, and you will see that position parameter is set as the integer in value 9 and is designated and will be available immediately for the data management, for example windchill. In this tutorial you have seen how it's easy to apply position parameter bar by Position Manager Tool, which is available on the 4ksci.com. Thank you for this request, and please feel free to use this tool and share it with your colleagues. Take care and bye-bye. Vladimir.